You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. I, Aditi Gupta, working as TGT English in KVNAD, Vishakhapatnam, welcome you all in this untold and inspiring story of a young lady, Ruma Devi. This activity is under Manodarpan. Social evils are shunned in this day and age, yet a lot of practice such as child marriage and female feticides are still prevalent in certain pockets of the country, including Rajasthan. Women here are married off early in life and often not educated or encouraged enough to pursue financial independence. However, 30-year-old Ruma Devi has taken it to her stride to stand on her own feet and help other women to do the same. Life for Ruma wasn't easy. Having lost her mother at an early age, she was married off at the age of just mere 17 into a financially unstable family. Being a school dropout, the only skill she had acquired was embroidery. When I was 8 years old, my mother died. I learned embroidery from my grandmother, and later in my life, it became a source of income. After marriage, my financial status was weak. However, I spoke to other women and we constituted a small group. Ruma told this. We collected funds of amount rupees 100 from each member and bought a sewing machine. Initially, we started off with the small items like bags. She added while acknowledging that patriarchal mindset in the region did become an obstacle in her efforts to empower women. A Nari Shakti awardee, Ruma Devi, now provides training to around 22,000 local women in applique embroidery, patchwork, and minor work. She runs an NGO called Gramin Vikas Chetna Sansthan, which is also known as GVCS, that provides logistic support to artisans. Women in this region, traditionally learn embroidery, but the group's focus has mostly been on making bedsheet using motifs as patchwork. The NGO also provides facilities to artisans like solar lamps and sewing machines among others. The work done by Ruma has gained international recognition with fashion designers like Hemant Trivedi and Rohit Kumar taking her work to ramps globally. When I see an artisan from her group only walking along with models in fashion show, I feel delighted, she said. The 30-year-old Ruma Devi aims to establish a college for embroidery where the training of staff as well as marketing and production of the items can be done under one roof. So by this story, what we come to know? The determination that Ruma Devi had. She didn't lose her mental well-being. She wasn't depressed or in stress also, in anxiety also. She gave her best and today she is an entrepreneur. So I would like to ask all of you, why are we so reluctant to seek help? Whenever we are facing failures or whenever we are going to start some new work, but we feel reluctant, we don't feel like that we should do that work. Okay, so we lose our confidence. Why are we so reluctant to seek help? Whenever you are not in a good mental health, we should always seek help. Why do we shy away from speaking about mental disorders? Instead of encouraging people to seek help and supporting them, many of us prefer to judge, and label and belittle people suffering from mental disorders. Why don't we behave a similar fashion when it comes to physical health and well-being? As I told in the story, Ruma Devi had lot of challenges. Her mental health was also affected, but then also she never gave up. She never gave up. She was a strong lady. She is a strong lady, and I guess she will be a strong lady in future also. And like her, there are many other personalities, not only ladies, but men also, who will not lose their mental well-being, and obviously they will go in future ahead and have a successful life. Thank you.